Meaning of electrically.
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 Electrically. Electrically refers to anything that is related to electricity or involves the use of electrical power. When something operates electrically, it means that it relies on electricity to operate properly. This can range from devices such as lights, computers, and appliances to systems like power grids and transportation networks. The result of electrical power can be seen in a variety of ways, including the ability to generate light, heat, and motion. It has been instrumental in transforming society, powering industry, and enabling communication across vast distances.